Born under the warm sun, where our roots are deeply laid, in the village of Futiga, the memories will never fade. Nofo and Fuiava's eldest, you always led the way. Even when you crossed the ocean, in our hearts you'd stay. Grandma Nele and Grandpa Billy held you so close and tight. You and Malia on the island, bathed in the Pacific light. Now out in Modesto, you've built a beautiful life. A loyal heart for Manuel, standing strong through any strife. Oh, Nellie, my sweet sister, so brave and so true. This is your brother Sekai. I am always here for you. I've spoiled you like my own. That's what brothers always do. Through the shadows of this storm, we are gonna pull you through. You're the heart of our family, with a spirit that glows. Keep fighting, sweet Nellie, I will never let you go. Silver and black, cheering loud and proud, with Manuel and your sweet boy Manu standing out in the crowd. He's the apple of your eye, your greatest joy and pride. When the three of you are traveling, love is always by your side. You're the fun auntie, the big heart, the Samoan strength we see, overcoming every hurdle with such grace and dignity. You know, Nellie, ever since we were kids, I've always tried to look out for you, spoiling you 24/7, making sure you had everything you needed, treating you like my very own little sister. And seeing you right now, going through this heavy storm, it breaks my heart, but it also shows me just how incredibly strong you are. You've got the blood of the islands in you, the prayers of our grandparents holding you up, and a beautiful little boy who looks at you like you're the whole world. You don't have to carry this weight alone anymore. I'm right here. We're all right here. I know the road is hard right now, the fatigue and all the pain, the long and heavy, weary days, standing in the rain. But this mountain can be conquered, and we will help you climb. We're holding on to faith and hope, taking it one day at a time. From the islands to the mainland, every prayer is sent your way. You are an incredible human, getting stronger every day. Oh, Nellie, my sweet sister, so brave and so true. This is your brother Sekai. I am always here for you. I've spoiled you like my own. That's what brothers always do. Through the shadows of this storm, we are gonna You're the heart of our family, with a spirit that glows. Keep fighting, sweet Nellie. I will never let you go. So rest your heavy head, my sister. Let us carry the weight. We are with you on this journey, no matter what it takes. Manu is smiling. Manuel is holding your hand, and I am standing right beside you, the proudest brother in the land. You're a warrior, Nellie, keep fighting. We love you.